everyone, it's Melody. Happy 2020. Can you guys believe it's 2020? Kind of feels fake. Kind of feels like the future, but it's actually the present. It's crazy. It is January 2020. My birthday is in January. And for my birthday, I just had a really good day. I took the day off because I usually work on the weekends, and my birthday was on a weekend. And I took the day off. I cuddled with my dogs for 3 hours. I ate a dairy-free donut. I had lunch with a friend, and then I went to go run some errands, and that included going to the mall to return something at Lululemon. And then I walked over outside of the mall where there's a Chanel boutique, and I literally went in just to see if they had rectangular minis. I was gonna go ahead and assume they didn't because the holidays just passed and they were pretty much sold out. So when I went to the boutique, they were like, actually no, friend, we do not have any rectangular minis. And I said, that's cool. I wasn't thinking much about it because anytime I've gone to a Chanel, all the rectangular minis they've had have been like bright, bold colors anyway. So I'm like, no thanks. So anyways, on my way back into the mall to go back to my car, I decided to stop by at Neiman Marcus. They have a little Chanel boutique in there. Decided why not, I'll go ahead and go in there. Went in there and they had two rectangular minis, one within a bright fuchsia color and one was this one. And I ended up obviously purchasing this one. So this is my third Chanel piece, but the only Chanel piece that is currently in my collection. I had a jumbo black caviar with gold hardware about 8 years ago. I ended up returning it. I won't go into big details about why. I just didn't like it. Plain and simple. It was not the bag for me. It's the bag for everyone else, and that's why I thought I had to have it. Not the bag for me. Returned it. Super cool. Second piece that I purchased was a wallet on chain. Love it. Still love it, but I purchased it in a black patent leather, and that's where I made my mistake. I should have just purchased it in a black caviar or a black lambskin, and so I ended up not liking it. I ended up returning that as well. The patent just wasn't for me after all. So, have made 3 purchases, the only one currently in my collection. Big long story. Let's open it up and see what I got. Here she is. She is stunning. She is the black lambskin mini rectangular with the silver hardware. Yes, she is part of the 20C collection. I am so excited. I 100% prefer silver hardware. That's just my personal preference. I wouldn't have minded, honestly, a caviar, but they haven't come out with the black or with the rectangular minis in a caviar in I believe 2 or 3 years. And I was tired of waiting for one, honestly, and I didn't want to buy one pre-loved. So I went ahead and got the lambskin, and I'm really happy they did because this lambskin is so much more substantial than I remember lambskin being, because I felt lambskin before. I actually love lambskin. I think it makes the bag look so much classier. I just know that it's going to be prone to scratches, and I'm okay with that. I've accepted that. I'm comfortable with that. I think it looks stunning, and I'm just so happy it's in silver because that was one of the big issues with my jumbo. I did not like the gold. It looked so yellow. So here it is. She is beautiful. Let me go ahead and open her up so I can show you a little bit more detail. So as you can see, first of all, let me see if I can show you how beautiful this lambskin is. It's stunning. And look at this stunning, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Hope the lighting's doing it justice. I feel like if the lighting is actually making it look like it has lots of wrinkles. It doesn't, I swear. But here we go. We're gonna open her up. And she's basically just one little rectangular area, but it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for me. I don't carry a lot with me. I'm very much a minimalist. I don't have a lot of stuff to carry, honestly. It does have a zipper, as you can see. And it does say Chanel, made in France. Super stoked. Another big reason I wanted the rectangular mini is because you can wear it as a crossbody. And if you can't wear a bag as a crossbody, I'm not gonna buy it. I just won't anymore. I need things that are functional, that are easy to use, easy to wear. So, well, look at the little design on this zipper too. I love attention to detail like that. There's a little CC on that zipper. Very cute. So there she is. I'm gonna go ahead and do some modeling shots because I feel like that's the most important part usually when people look up these videos. Oh, here is the back pocket as well. But I feel like modeling shots are always helpful when deciding if this is the right bag for you, if you want a bag to look a certain way. So let's go ahead and try my little baby girl on. All right, so here she is on as a crossbody, which is the only way I would ever wear her. Now it falls on me pretty much right at my hip. And I'm not gonna lie, I wish it fell where the wallet on chains fall on me, which is a little bit lower. That's my personal preference for where a crossbody bag falls on me. Because of the rectangular nature and the structure of it, I just feel like it juts out a little bit, as you can tell, when it's so high up on my hip. I'm 5'5", and I am definitely top heavier. I've got broad shoulders, so that definitely adds a little bit of room, I guess, that needs to be occupied by the strap. So this definitely could fall lower on you if you were shorter. However, this is where it falls on me. I'm comfortable with it. Had I had the choice, I would have added like 2 more inches maybe, for me personally, and that's okay. So here it is though. And this is how it looks crossbody. And that's another big reason that I did not like the jumbo. The jumbo was heavy, it was clunky, it was not in the hardware I wanted. And also I could not wear as a crossbody. It was just not comfortable, and I do not do things on my shoulder. If they make the jumbo in a crossbody, I might consider it, but again, heavy, do not like. But this is just light enough. And I also am not the biggest fan of chains typically, but this is not a solid chain, obviously has the woven leather through it. So that makes it a little bit more bearable. It doesn't just feel like I'm carrying chains around, you know? So there she is. And again, I am 5'5". Hopefully the lighting's fair. And I'm sorry about all the other stuff around me. My Dyson's always there. It is what it is. But here she is. Here's what it looks like when it's kind of more towards the front. And when you're a little bit more towards the side. And I know it's a little bit hard to tell because I'm wearing a lot of black. I'm sorry. These are just gray camo leggings from Lululemon. But this is like the outfit I'm going to go out in today. So I didn't want to change. There she is. Let me put her on my shoulder just to show you guys the length of the rectangular mini on me. My mirror is exceptionally streaky today, and I'm just going to apologize. It is what it is today. Here it is on my shoulder. As you can see, very small, very dainty, perfect size for me. I don't carry a whole bunch of stuff, so this is great. When it's on my shoulder, it definitely falls below my hip bone. It falls more like right where my thigh would start, I guess. That's the best way to describe it. Would I wear it like this? Maybe, but I have like those shoulders that like go swoop, like they slope downward, you know what I mean? So this will be like on here, and then it's gonna be like off here soon, you know what I mean? So, but I know people who are a little bit shorter than I am do like the double chain sometimes, or like they shorten it on the inside and things like that. I don't have that issue. I would prefer it to be longer. It is a great, great bag. And again, crossbody it. So cute. Love it. So here she is in all of her beautiful glory. You guys, they packaged the bag up so lovely at the Chanel boutique inside of Neiman Marcus. Don't be afraid to go inside those boutiques inside the major department stores. I feel like they do just a perfect job as a regular boutique would. Never hesitate to go inside those boutiques as well. I mean, she did the whole white ribbon, flower, tissue paper, sticker. I mean, she even made it extra nice, I feel like, because it was my actual birthday when I purchased this. So it was just very, very lovely. Obviously includes the dust bag that it comes with here, the care little package, which has the glove that you can use to clean the bag with as well as obviously the box. Mine currently probably holds my receipt and such. Yep, there it is. So it has that. And here is the product information number if you are curious. Again, part of the 20C collection, which I believe came out in December. Please correct me if I'm wrong. December of 2019. Maybe it was November. I can't remember now. The holidays always makes everything so blurry, but came out in 2019. But I was really shocked that they had one. Just very much shocked. Surprised that they had a black rectangular mini with silver hardware. And I knew it was part of the 20C collection because I've seen a couple people purchase it. I just figured they were all sold out from the holidays. So to find one on my birthday, I kind of thought it was meant to be. Even the sales associate, who's so sweet, was like, I just put this out this morning. It's been here for about 5 hours. Can't believe you're the first person to I can't believe no one's bought it yet. Maybe it was meant for you. She was making a sale and she did it because I also felt that same way. So very, very excited about this bag. You guys, thank you so much for listening to me talk about this bag for like minutes upon minutes. I'm just very excited. Again, I haven't purchased a bag in about 5 years, luxury handbags. So this is really exciting for me, and especially a Chanel bag that I'm very happy about and that I love, versus the other bags that I've had and that I didn't like as much, obviously, because I don't have them in my collection anymore. I'm so happy about it. I love it. I really do. It's wonderful. So again, thank you so much for listening to me about it. If you happen to have any questions regarding this bag, go ahead and ask. But there are about 1,000,007 other reviews on YouTube that are probably going to be better than this quote unquote unboxing is. But I don't mind any questions. Go ahead and ask them. Ask me about anything. Ask me about the leather, the hardware, the experience purchasing it, whatever it is. You can ask me anything. I'm very open about that sort of stuff. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys. I had a great birthday. Just lots of fun in general. I mean, my life is pretty much just work and sleep and occasionally The Mandalorian, but I've watched all 8 episodes over and over, so I'm done with that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video again. If you like this video, if you like Chanel, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos about this bag or anything related to luxury or handbag purchases, go ahead and ask down below. If you guys want to see more from me, you can click subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!